Hello everyone. In previous lecture already we have solved so many problems based on different interrelationships. In this lecture also we are going to solve rest problems based on these interrelationships. So let us discuss question number 11. A partially saturated sample has a density of 1950 kg per meter cube and a water content of 21%. If the specific gravity of solids is 2.7, calculate the degree of saturation and void ratio. If the sample subsequently gets saturated, determine its saturated density. So this is our question. So let us find out what are given in the question. Density of partially saturated sample, rho equal to 1950 kg per meter cube. We convert it into gram. So our answer is 1.95 gram per centimeter cube. Next, water content W equal to 21%. This is equal to 0.21 in decimal. Specific gravity G equal to 2.7. This much given. Again we have to find out degree of saturation. This is SR equal to question mark. Void ratio E equal to question mark. Saturated density rho sat equal to question mark if SR equal to 1. That means here it is given the sample is subsequently gets saturated. That means the soil is continuously or subsequently saturated. So the value of SR is 1. So we know the relation, that is rho equal to rho W into G plus E into SR by 1 plus E. Again another relation we know, WG equal to E into SR, where SR equal to WG by E. Again here we put this value, SR value, in this relation. Is SR also unknown? Here SR is unknown, E is unknown, only G is given. So we put this SR value here. So right here rho equal to rho W into within bracket G plus E into WG by E. So E cancel. So next is rho W into G plus WG by 1 plus E. Here we take common G. So rho equal to rho W into G within bracket 1 plus W by 1 plus E. Again from that we have to find out E. So we put all the values, 1 plus E equal to, this the rho W value is 1000. We put here 1000 into 2.7 within bracket 1 plus 0.21 divided by 1950. See one thing. Here we put 1950, that is kg per meter cube. It is given in the question kg per meter cube. So that we put here the rho W value is 1000 kg per meter cube, as we put the density also in kg per meter cube. So you have to take care of it, or whenever we do this or put the values, you have to see this carefully. So after calculation E equal to, we find out 0.67. This is our answer. Again we know this relation, WG equal to E into SR. Again SR equal to WG by E. So W value is 0.21 into G value is 2.7 divided by 0.67. So answer is 0.84. Again we know that degree of saturation is represented in percentage, so that we multiply 100 with it. So our answer is 84%. The next, rho sat or saturated density. So for saturation this is the formula or relationship, rho W into G plus E by 1 plus E. Again here we put 1000 into 2.7 plus 0.67 divided by 1 plus 0.67. So the answer is 2017.92 kg per meter cube, as here we put 1000 kg per meter cube. So we convert it into gram per centimeter cube. After converting, answer is 2.0178 gram per centimeter cube. So this is our answer. Next question. Question number 12. A sample has a volume of 1 liter and a weight of 17.5 Newton. The specific gravity of the solids is 2.7. If dry unit weight of soil is 14.8 kilonewton per meter cube, determine first is water content, void ratio, porosity, saturated unit weight, submerged density, and last one is degree of saturation. So this is our question here. I think 3 values are given, and from the 3 value we have to find out the 6 values. Water content, void ratio, porosity, saturated unit weight, submerged density, and degree of saturation. So let us see. First work is to find out the given data or note down the given data. So volume V equal to 1 liter. It is given here. 4 things are given. Okay, here it is given 1 liter. So V equal to 1 liter equal to 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. We convert it into meter cube. Liter to meter cube. Weight W equal to 17.5 Newton. Again we convert it into kilonewton. So 17.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilonewton. Specific gravity G equal to 2.7. Dry unit weight of soil gamma D equal to 14.8 kilonewton per meter cube. So this much given. 4 things are given. Water content W equal to question mark. Void ratio E equal to question mark. Porosity N equal to question mark. Saturated unit weight gamma sat equal to question mark. Submerged density rho sub equal to question mark. And the last one, degree of saturation SR equal to question mark. So let us see. So first is everything we have to find out from the interrelationship. So we know this relation gamma B equal to gamma D into 1 plus W. Again 1 plus W equal to gamma B by gamma D, or implies W equal to gamma B by gamma D minus 1. Again gamma B is not given. Here gamma D is given, dry unit weight is given, but gamma B is not given. So first we have to find out the gamma B. After that we can calculate it. So gamma B equal to W by V, weight per volume. So weight equal to 17.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 10 to the power minus 3 volume. So equal to, our answer is 17.5 kilonewton per meter cube. So we can calculate the water content. This is the formula. So here we have to put all the values. Gamma B value is 17.5 divided by gamma D value already given 14.8 minus 1 equal to 0.182. Again here we have to multiply 100 equal to 18.2%. This is one answer. Again from the relation 1 plus E equal to gamma WG by gamma D. We know this relation. Or implies E equal to gamma WG by gamma D minus 1. So here again we have to put all the values whatever given. So G value is 2.7 into gamma W value is 9.81 divided by 14.8 minus 1, so equal to 0.789. So this is another answer. Next again we have to find out N, porosity N equal to, we know the relation E by 1 plus E. So already we have calculated the E value equal to 0.789 by 1 plus 0.789 equal to 0.441 equal to 44.1%. This is answer. Again gamma sat equal to gamma W into G plus E by 1 plus E equal to 9.81. Within bracket G value is 2.7 plus E value is 0.789 divided by 1 plus 0.789 equal to 19.13 kilonewton per meter cube. This is one answer. And next, rho sub or submerged density equal to, we know the formula is rho sat minus rho W, but again rho sat is unknown. So here we can calculate rho sat equal to, this is gamma sat by Z. So already we have calculated the gamma sat here. 19.13 by 9.81 equal to, answer is 1.95 gram per centimeter cube. rho set equal to this much 1.95, but the rho sub equal to 1.95 minus 1 equal to 0.95 gram per centimeter cube. This is another answer. Again, Wg equal to E into Sr, or implies Sr equal to Wg by E. Here we know all the values. 18.2 into 2.7 divided by 0.789 equal to 0.62. Again we have to multiply 100 with it, so equal to 62%. So this much. So the problems of this chapter, all the problems are completed now, and here I give you a note. This is the 1 gram per centimeter cube equal to 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. Another one is 1 kilonewton per meter cube equal to, we know the gamma equal to rho into g. So this much equal to rho, actually rho equal to g value is how much? 9.81 gram per centimeter cube. We know this relation. So chapter 2 is completed. In next lecture we will start chapter 3. Thank you.